Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to bring you along with me to a girls trip to Miami. This trip was one of the most memorable trips in my life. We went through so many lows and so many highs in the span of 6 days, and I don't regret a single thing. Canada is currently facing one of the biggest snowstorms in years, so we went through a lot just to leave to Miami. But I truly had the best time. I'm traveling with my older sister Miriam, who was the brain of this trip. Without her, we would not have made it. We're also traveling with our good friend Tara, who proved that after everything we've been through, she is the best person to travel with. And finally, me, the person behind and in front of the camera who made it possible for everyone to post on their socials. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like, and leave a comment down below. I love reading them, and let's get going. Oh my goodness, today was so late. I had to rush. I missed the first train, and now I'm taking the second train. Hopefully I have time to go grab a coffee.
This is Lance, customer service ambassador speaking to you from the facility coach.
Alright, so first I need to go to my sister's place because we will be flying together. However, she lives 5 hours away in a city called Ottawa, the capital of Canada. So I first need to take the train to Toronto and then take a bus, which I almost missed, to Ottawa, where she will be picking me up. Today is Saturday, February 15, and all we've done today is clean the house and finalize packing our luggages. At night, we decided to attend this gala hosted by my sister's university, which was a crazy thing for us to do since we're flying the next day, but we had a lot of fun. Good morning! Today is Sunday, February 16th, and today is the day we fly. Yay! But first, we need to take the bus to the Montreal airport. This is Canada right now. Spray this. We dropped off our luggages and finished checking in, and now we're so hungry, so we went to eat at this American restaurant called Houston. I got this fish tacos, which were pretty good, but the prices were kind of crazy.
Stop the chicken. The salmon.
Finally, it was time to board, so we took a shuttle to the plane since it couldn't reach the gate due to snow. It looks so weird. However, this shuttle would stop every 2 minutes and would stay still for 20 to 30 minutes.
My legs hurt. My back hurts. I need a spot to sit. Look at the bus.
Guys, we were there for 2 whole hours, or even more. Then we received an announcement. Our plane was rescheduled to 2 days later. I mean, it's impossible. We can't stay 2 days in the airport, and we can't go back and come back again. And this whole thing would only mean that we would be staying in Miami for like a day, not even. So long story short, we decided to stay in the airport and sleep there. No, not in a hotel. They were all booked. We slept on chairs, and we managed to sleep for around an hour and a half, not even. Monday, February 17th, 5:05 a.m. We decided to get into the line at 4:50 a.m. just to make sure we would have the chance to talk to someone. Mind you, we were on a phone line for 6 hours, so we did some waiting and some more waiting and some pleading, and finally they told us that they found us seats on another plane at 6 p.m.
This vlog. Inshallah, we will be in Miami. Watch this. Next clip, we're in Miami.
Yes, we are.
Now what do we do for 12 hours before we board the plane? And we didn't get business class or first class. It was a mix-up, and this plane doesn't have that like option. So we're back here in the middle row. Alright, what are your goals for vacation?
What I want to do is I want to have no thoughts. I want to take photos, and I want to get tanned.
Same thing. I want to wear my outfits. Finally. I want to tan. I want to swim in the beach.
Oh, that one too.
What else? Honestly, I just want to get there. That's my plan. And I want to chill. I don't want to think. I don't want to do. I don't want to say. I just want to go to the beach, tan, swim, eat, beach, tan, swim, eat. And that's it. Yay! When you enter, you see this beautiful little arc here. On the left, we have... Oh my god. So on the left, we have the bathroom, and then we have the 2 double beds. Pretty cute. And then our coats, because we came all the way from Canada, and there's a very, very big snowstorm going on. So yeah, basically it's a very small like hotel room, but super cute, has its charm. Alright, and now I'm gonna go to bed because I'm about to crash out.
We're out and we are in Miami. Literally.
So today, as soon as we woke up, we put on our swimsuits and went directly to the beach. No breakfast or nothing.
The jellyfish are deep.
Made it, guys. Oh my god. Can't believe this. We're actually here right now. It feels absolutely unreal to be here right now. We went through trenches to get here. But I quickly realized that this experience had to happen. During our stay at the airport, we got to know so many people, from the ticket security person who loves to joke around, to the old retired couple from Calgary who let us go in front of them in line so that we can get our problems fixed faster. Talking to them made all the anxiety go away, and instead made me feel all at peace with the situation we were in. I'm telling you, if your life is ever falling apart or you're stressed, go talk to old retired people. They give the best advice ever. Their words and their stories are absolutely magical and does wonders.
We just finished eating and now we're gonna go to the beach again.
And while waiting for our plane, we also met 2 old retired Dutchmen living in Belgium. Hear this, guys. They met each other at their company and became good friends ever since. And listen to this. Every year since they met, they would travel together and go on these crazy adventures. They have basically almost traveled the whole world together. How beautiful. We talked about politics and so much more. They kept reminding us to take advantage of our youth and experience as much as we can. And just like that, even though I had an hour worth of sleep in me, I felt this indescribable feeling within me. Excitement mixed with hope, mixed with happiness, mixed with anticipation. I'm so curious and excited of what's to come in my life.
We wanted to go outside, but it's currently like pouring. So I guess we'll head back into the hotel. And we waited out. This is what the patio for our hotel room looks like. Aww.
Today we decided to wake up early to watch the sunrise, and this time I made sure not to forget to wear my sunscreen.
Every minute slipping by, even when I close my eyes, ruthless I know. You might even wonder why I go MIA sometimes. I can't deny. Try to hold on to the things I can't see. Through my fingers, I was losing control. Took a couple months till you knocked on my door. Sat by the sea while the waves fell asleep. Didn't know what I should let go. Thought I lost my way, but now I am sure. If I spend all my days searching for gold, I will be running out of time to see all your beauty and beyond. So instead I'll sing this song. Time and time again I'll go back to my reality.
Good morning, everyone. Today we woke up at like 6 a.m. just to watch the sunrise. This is our second day in Miami, and tomorrow is our last day, unfortunately. But yeah, it was super fun. I really love the vibes here. But the sunrise is so beautiful. There's just like clouds hiding it away a little bit, but it's fine. But yeah, today's plan, we plan on getting breakfast after this and then going for a bike ride. They rent bikes here and we can go all over the city, so that's what we're going to be doing. And then afterwards I think we'll come back to the beach. Oh my god, the sun is back. Oh my god, guys, the sun. Yeah, the sun's back and they don't care, they're taking pictures. But yeah, after all of the troubles to get here, now I feel so much better, honestly.
So instead I'll sing this song. Paint every star with a moon we see.
Wake up that morning, she's tired of a country. Like the hostel, she's booked like 3 days at a time. And she had travel burnout at one point. I saw her like in China where I texted her. She went. going to the beach again.
We're going to the beach.
The UV level is at 8. What is that supposed to mean?
We're gonna
the maximum
burn.
is 10. Oh shit!
We're gonna
My forehead is already like burning from my.
5 to 7-ish is like
What's it called?
high UV. Everything
That
above
means-
7, it means
We're getting cancer.
What is this thing?
You wanna lay beside me or
Oh my god, you're attacking someone. Yeah.
whoa, look at that dark chocolate. Oh my god.
Whoa, it's actually dark chocolate.
At every single airplane in the sky, under blue skies, sunshine, a bottle of wine. Talk about our daydreams. Hey, it seems we're crossing the line.
Oh, it's stuck in my. What was the?
I feel like the other one had a shark too. Remember?
I really love these ones. Ooh, that's so cute. Crazy, crazy.
I'm posting that.
Guys, we're currently in the beach, and we're taking. Oh my god, with this tea, we're taking pictures. Beach pictures.
What am I gonna? I feel like that looks weird.
Let's just try it. If it works,
Let me see the.
You guys look good.
My face is.
Were you taking it like this or like this?
No, it's
Vertical. Okay, I'm gonna show you what we're doing.
Not just. Exactly. Honestly, let me try with my purse.
Can you see those cruise? Oh my god, imagine going on them. Look how big they are. Oh my god, next time.
Stay for like 30 seconds. Oh my god. You guys are literally running away from me.
Why are you running? Why
You know
are
those
running?
TikToks where you chase someone?
Yeah.
Or the woman before she dies.
Actually, early. Because we're gonna have to check out.
Did we book the hotel? Where is it? We're now at a restaurant and we're going to try Turkish food. We're literally sitting outside on the side road.
I think it's
Our running shoes.
because there's a tour that like you go like you walk around and like
I feel like yours is more filling.
tourists and beef.
Okay, but then that means on our way home, before we actually go home, we bring it.
Oh, don't steal anything.
Hilarious. She hogging all the talking, but she got no skin in the game. Defend me from your wife's insult.
Good morning, guys. Today is our last day, and we woke up at like 6:40 something. And we're gonna go take some pictures on the beach and swim during the sunrise. Sister came. Oh my god. She brought everything.
It's honestly not that cold. I'm just cold from the wind.
Dunk your head too. One, two, three. Nod! Look at the camera! Look at the camera! You want a video of you like this?
You're giving mother.
Okay.
Okay, I need your help.
We're now gonna go get breakfast. I'm not sure where we're gonna go, but we're just gonna walk around and yeah, see what we find.
Look at me trying to be ice.
So everything's good so far?
It's a very famous like Tibetan. It's like jaw dropping.
What?
I keep saying that car is a blue. I think.
So today we decided to cancel all the plans we've made and be spontaneous since it is our last day. So after breakfast, we decided to go to the Miami District Design to check it out.
A lot of snow in Canada.
Small friend, Kenneth.
Yes.
Small friend, Kenneth.
It's more French?
Small friend, yeah.
Yes, yes. Français. Yeah.
second hotel. We're just staying here for one night and then we're going back.
Oh my god, there's a mirror in the shower.
But yeah, we're staying in this hotel for like one day. And then tomorrow we're gonna go to the airport and head back home.
So we decided to go on this boat tour where you see celebrities' houses on these luxury islands. I saw Riri's house, very, very beautiful. I saw Jackie Chan's house, Shaq's house, and the most expensive house in there is actually owned by a doctor, and he's the guy who invented Viagra. I also saw Diddy's house, which was covered by trees, so you can't really see the windows and everything. Very sus.
If there's some high, there's some low.
We just finished our celebrity house tour. And honestly, it was seriously something.
Go straight. Big bus.
And we got some virgin mojitos. But yeah, our last day, our last night here. We are so not sleeping, are we? We have to catch our early flight tomorrow at like 9 a.m. or something. And we were telling ourselves that we would sleep early today, but I don't think that's the case, honestly.
Paraguay, aplauso para Laura de Paraguay. Saludos Laura, a Paraguay, el saludo, te abrazo, te beso. Haz que no sé, Laura no sé. Yo no sé si estaremos juntos. Arriba Paraguay, la gente de Colombia.
It's currently like 9 something and we're starving, so we're going to find somewhere to eat. Let's get vegetarian. And let's get portobello.
Honestly, let's get the two.